Little cheat 3 here, and today I'm gonna solve this puzzle box. Okay, I have a feeling this yellow piece up here is a tool. Okay. Oh, that didn't work. I got our money! Okay, I'm gonna try out this one. Oh, nothing worked. I realized something that's kind of weird. That's a slider piece, but it's blocking from sliding. That the clear piece is a slider. Whoa, look at what I got. I moved that whole wall over. Oh, that's not work. That didn't work either. Oh, that didn't work that way. But it does work this way. Okay, that did not work. I just realized I'm just going about this, pushing the pieces over and over again, thinking they're gonna do something different. I wish I could just pull this off and look inside and see how it works, put it back, and then solve it. Ooh, I have a feeling that's a moolah. I'm gonna try to get it out. Okay, this is confusing. Very, very confusing. I'm just gonna resolve it again and try to hope something clicks. This is very confusing. I have no clue how to solve this. I really just hope something works, but nothing's working. I really wish I could just jam this through the side and then all the monies would pop out. So far, I have only one money. One. And it's been like, I don't know, 200 or 500 minutes. Okay. So this is very, 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 very hard. Okay. Money number 1. That's it. I'm just gonna press all of them again and see if something happens. Ooh. Whoa! I got the second money! I got the second money out. And that one! Yes! I solved it! It's a miracle! I'm so happy. Okay, bye.